I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the snipping tool is the active window. Once done, make sure any capture is either saved or canceled so you don't lose work. You can click Save, Copy, or the close icon. These actions end the current snip session. If the app is responsive, use Alt plus F4 to close it instantly. This tells Windows to terminate the window. If you started a new snip, pressing S cancels it and returns you to the normal desktop. If the snipping tool is frozen, open Task Manager with Control plus Shift plus ESC. You do this because the normal close controls may not respond. In Task Manager, find Snipping Tool. EXE or the snipping tool process, then click End Task to force it to quit. This tells Windows to stop the program immediately. Make sure to look for multiple instances. If more than one appears, end each one. Once done, wait a few seconds for Windows to release resources before reopening the app. To finish, reopen the snipping tool only after confirming it closed. If it still misbehaves, rebooting clears locked files and temp states. Also check the System Tray and Action Center for any lingering icons or notifications that imply the app is still running. If the problem repeats, update Windows and the app, make sure your system is current, or uninstall and reinstall the snipping tool to repair corrupted files. Troubleshooting tip: if crashes persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.